Staff. Did you know Project Life is doing the T-Bird Brew and is delivering coffee to classes?
There are a lot of skills that the students are gaining as part of the T-Bird Brew. The students who are working in the T-Bird Brew, they're doing it as part of a credit within their classes, but it does connect to the community. We have several coffee houses, local coffee houses, which could be a potential employer in the future. Okay, we offer 12 ounce and 16 ounce. The small or the 12 ounce is $1. It's $1.25 for the medium, the 16 ounce. We have just added our Colombian coffee, our Highlander grog coffee, and then we also have 2 very prime cappuccinos here, English toffee and chocolate caramel pecans, and then we have our favorite hot cocoa.
To find the order form, go to the Lakeland Union High School webpage under Staff Resources and find the T-Bird Brew tab right here. You are now on the T-Bird Brew online order form. You just click Next and fill out your name, location of delivery, and the time. Many flavors here. They even have additional options, creamer and sugars. I want some hot cocoa, and once you're done, you just click Submit. So if you're feeling lousy and drowsy, please order your T-Bird Brew now.